Hello everyone, this is Changkuoth Nyak. I want to share some very serious news coming from Central Equatoria State, South Sudan. According to government, 10 people, 8 men and 2 women, have been abducted in La Supayam, Ye River County. In another separate incident, 2 passenger vehicles were set on fire in Morobo County. The State Minister of Local Government and Law Enforcement, Leon Abibron, made this announcement on Tuesday during a security meeting in Juba. He blamed the attack on elements of the opposition group, NAS, although they have not confirmed or denied responsibility. These attackers are barbaric and they are a direct threat to peace and stability. I join the government in calling for the immediate and unconditional release of the kidnapped individuals. To the people of Ye, Morobo, and all of South Sudan, my heart is with you. We must reject violence and continue to speak out against those who want to bring fear to our communities. Let us continue to pray for peace, for justice, and for the safe return of our people. Thank you for watching. Please share this message and let the voice of our people be heard. May God bless South Sudan.